Hi Year 10. This is just a short video to help you show your teacher your learning by using Google My Maps. When you log into your department email, you get a choice of apps that you can use, and one of them is Google My Maps. So that's one way you can get to Google My Maps. Once you've clicked on Google My Maps, you'll be prompted to create a new map. Double click on that. It's a bit slow, sorry. And then you get the default of the Australian map with a little link up here where you can give your map a title straight away. So I'm going to call it Population or Settlement Patterns of China. I haven't used capitals, I'm sorry, so when you've got more time you make sure you use capitals for your title. And I'm going to click in the search function China because that's where I want to make the map of. And we're taken straight away to China. I'm going to change the base map to satellite so we can really see the topography and the vegetation patterns, and that will help us work out where people in China are most likely to live. Now, I'm not going to do the map for you because that's your task to show your learning, but very clearly you can see the highland areas of China that we've looked at, the dry areas of China. This little bit up here is Mongolia, which is not part of China. And we can see the low areas close to the east coast, and they're heavily vegetated because if you remember back to your precipitation map, that's where the rainfall is highest. Now, the tasks ask you to show the area where you think people will live in China, the most likely areas of urban settlement. And to do that, you need to draw a line. So go up here, add a line or a shape, and then you can start clicking where you think the settlement patterns are. I'm just going to show you this, where the dry areas are. So I'm not giving you the answer, I'm just mapping out the drier areas of China. So you continue around, just clicking every time you want to add a line. And when you've made your way all around, you'll get a prompt to name your shape, because you'll have made a shape, or you can name your line. So just double click on that to name your line, or you can click on it over here if you don't get a chance to do it when it pops up. You can just click on that to rename the layer, delete the layer, or open the data table. I'll give you another video to show you how to get your map of settlement patterns to your teacher for marking. But I hope this has helped answer some questions for you. Thanks very much, Year 10.